morning, everyone. Welcome to the European Crossover webinar. Um, and we are seeing indices continue to push even higher, make new highs. Cruise has even gone up to over 4,300. I had a short yesterday that took partial profits off, and then I ended up getting stopped on the balance of those. I'm glad I did get stopped out. Boy, heck, we're still much higher now. I'm even surprised at that. But anyway, nonetheless, as indicated here, moment. New highs you're seeing here in NASDAQ. Take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's actually receding a bit. We're going in, move into the other screen. As you can see, S&P is up here at 4304. Holy smokes. I mean, continue to push higher here. So there we are. Take a look at crude oil. Crude oil actually above $74. See that on the 2-hour chart. Pushing back up towards those highs again. And there we are. Look at S&P's really continue to motor up in here. Take a look at where we are as far as economic data. We did get German retail sales about 2 hours ago. Those came in at minus 2.4%. Spanish manufacturing PMI came in at 60.4. That was better than the previous, which was 59.3. German manufacturing came in at 65.1, so bettering the prior one of 64.9. And we got Eurozone manufacturing PMI. For some reason, let's see here, has not updated. At least I see. Oh yeah, manufacturing PMI came in at 63.4. And at the bottom of the hour, we'll get UK manufacturing PMI estimate is 64.2. Previous was 64.2. And as we roll into the States, we do have an OPEC meeting today. It says it starts in about another couple of hours. And we do get the weekly jobless claims. We are going to get manufacturing PMI. That's going to be at 9:45 Eastern, followed by construction spending and ISM manufacturing, which is going to be at 10 a.m. Eastern. The manufacturing PMI will be at 9:45 Eastern, but ISM manufacturing will be at 10 a.m. Eastern. So some key data there. One moment. So let's go and move into the analysis. Let's take a look. Here we go. Crude oil continues to be pressing up higher here. I had some problems with one of the screens, so I had to move a couple of things. So finding where I put my thing here. Hold on. There we go. There's Euro. Let's move to the daily. And boy, we are still continuing to press lower here in the Euro. Look at this. Let's expand that out a bit. At the lows. And here, that's a key level of support there right now, 1836. Very key level of support. I'm going to go, we've had the stretches because of the ADP, but we're going to go with this for support, 1836. If you look at this, this is even a key level on the weekly. Look at that. And let's take a look at the resistance. Yeah. So you can see that 1836, and then looking for resistance, right there, 1882. 1882. Let's go back to that weekly. And we're going to post this into the chat room. Okie dokie. Now let's go and move into the cable. Got some key support coming in here right now. Look at that. So let's go with right there, 3776. And resistance is going to come in right there. You can see it there, clears the bell, 3877. Onto the Aussie. Right there. Should go by there, 74.50. Right there, 74.58. Oh, we did mark it. Okay, and then resistance. Right there, 75.38. Next coming up, let's go with the dollar yen. Wow, that is to continue to scoot. Hang on. Oh, we see weekly resistance at 11.55. You see that? Weekly resistance, 11.55. Because we're hitting some key weekly levels, I do want to share that. So we'll post that in the room also. And support is going to be $11.07. And the cash dollar index. We did have a resistance yesterday for 92.51, and we're going to keep that 92.51. We can go to a daily. It actually went right there. So I like that 92.51 there. And support. $92.08. Let's go and move in now to Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, every time you think it's going to go one direction, it goes the opposite direction. And here we are sliding back again here on Bitcoin. Take a look here on the daily. Once again, it certainly looks susceptible. Key support right now is going to be at 31. You can see it right there. 31,532. That's still a little ways away. Let's take a look immediately. $30 right there. $32,589. And on the upside, broke this area of support here. That's going to be resistance. You can say 34,100 for right now. And moving on to ES. Boy, this thing just continues to motor on. Just unbelievable. made it up here to 43.05. Interesting. That's 161% there. 43.05. So we're going to go with that for resistance, even though it's pretty close. And it's already gone above it. It's gone up to 6. The high for the move has been 43.0575. So we'll go 43.05 for resistance. Support is going to be 42.94. Followed by right there, 42.85. And turn our ears to the NASDAQ. And look at that, continues to move higher. Did make a move up to 14.605, but kind of pared back a bit here. Now this one lagged a little bit yesterday, so I'm going to go with this. Let's see here. We'll just go with 14.618 for resistance. In case we see a little bit of a jump. And support. $14,511. And 14,486. And moving on to the gold market. But we finally did get a response off of this 1751, and we had that for support, and that ended up holding up very well. The low was 1750, and we had 1751. Did get a bounce here. Market is a little bit overdone. Let's go and take a look and see what we have here. I think we had 1775 anyway. A little bit of a stretch. Let's go with 1783 because the market is fairly oversold with support at 1761. And moving on to the crude oil market. Got to be careful with this one because we do have an OPEC meeting. Up here, 74.42. Up here in the stars. For right now, we do have the POC at 73.72 with the volume level just under that, and yesterday's volume level at 73.55. Let's go with this 73.43. And we're going to go with 74.51 on the upside, but you have to be careful because it's the OPEC meeting. 74.51. We've already actually pressed up even higher today. We got up as high as looks like 74.50. Oh, 56. Okay. So 74.51, 73.43. And looks like that's all we'll have. And there's the bias chart, and we'll get that plus and root. And thanks for joining us here on the European Crossover webinar.